subscribe to my channel. It's free to subscribe, and also press the bell icon. Hey guys, Assalamualaikum. This is me Farwa and today I'm here for you, which is called my Instagram followers picks my makeup tutorial look. You all have just chosen this look and I'm literally loving this look, especially my highlighter. So if you wanted to know which highlighter is then keep on watching this video. But before that, follow me on my Instagram. And today's shout out goes to these persons. And this video was on the request of my follower. Don't know the name. Gonna add her picture over here. So yeah, she said me to do control my day, but sorry, so can't do that video. So I thought to do my Instagram followers picks my makeup. Now guys, if you wanted to know which highlighter is this, then keep on watching. Guys, this is the primer. You all have chosen this mini star primer. Yep. You all have chosen this mini star primer, so I'm just going to apply it. I'm just going to take a little bit because as much as I used it, I realized that I'm using it too much and that's not good. Yeah, just like this. The foundation you all have chosen at this infallible foundation. Are you serious? Literally, I just hate this foundation for some reason because it's too over white. I realized that this is not my shade, but yeah. Just applied it and now just blend it. I'm done blending the foundation and now I blended my foundation. I even tied my hair because super hot, so I just tied my hairs. Yeah. Concealer, I'm going to use this Kiss Beauty concealer. I'll ask you that should I use this or should I use foundation as concealer. So you guys said use this. So yeah, everybody said yes about this. Nobody said no about use foundation as concealer. Everybody has chosen this option. Well, great. Just going to blend that up. Just going to blend that all. So guys, the concealer is done and now I'm going to use powder. You guys have chosen baking powder. So yeah, we're going to just bake our face. Okay. So here's that. I'm just going to bake my face. Just use this here. Rest of the face too. I'm going to do my contouring, and for contouring, you all have chosen powder contouring. Thank you so much. Okay, so yep. Which shade should I go for? Contouring, right? Contouring. Okay. This brush. Fafula makeup brushes. So it's been such a long time I haven't took the name of these brushes. Fafula. जब से मेरे पास ये PTFL Cosmetics के brushes आए ना, तब से इनको मैं भूल गई हूँ. Yeah. Serious matter. Okay, so I'm just going to contour और ये barrier है. Okay, this is a barrier. Contour. Woo! La la! Wallah! It's super dark. I wish it can. Oh my god, that's too dark. Oh my god. No, don't worry. I'm going to fix that. Wallah! I don't know why it's so dark. I don't know how to do the contouring of my left cheek. Oh, that is too dark. Wait, I'm going to use this big fat brush and just to blend that. Just use the same powder. Look, now it's a lot lightened. Use this here and there. Now how can I contour my nose? My nose is covered with powder. Anyways, I don't know how to do nose contouring. And to remove the powder, it's been 5 minutes. Guys, for the eye look, you guys have chosen soft and subtle look, so thank you again. So I'm going with this Venus Marble Eyeshadow Palette. Hey, so I'm going with this cocoa color right here. I'm just going to apply it to my crease. Yeah. So powdery it is. I'm not going to create any barrier for that because it's a soft, subtle look, not a dramatic look. So guys, you guys can see I've applied the brown shadow into my eyes. Now I'm going with this sheer color. This is my favorite color actually. Going with it and just going to apply to my lid. Wow, just look at that. Just look at that. Just look at that. Just look at that. Just going to just blend it to my crease with my finger. It goes. The look is completed. Yeah. Guys, for the liner, you all have chosen liquid liner. Yeah. I wish you guys are enjoying this video. I think it's rude. I think it's fun. What it is? Shake that up. Oh, same pinch, you monkey. Look, here's a monkey. Same pinch. Okay, so this is Paul Frank. Paul Frank. Oh. So just not going to create any wing liner because this is soft and subtle look. We have a liner complete. Guys, the liner is done. And now I'm going with this mascara by Kiss Beauty. You guys have chosen this. You guys haven't chosen that golden mascara. It doesn't have any name. It has a name, but it was removed. So thank you so much for choosing. No, not thank you. Well, that was finished actually. Oh my god, I don't know what I'm talking. Let's try to understand me. Wait, about I'm talking. Wow. Oh hey, it's Plush. Look at that. Yeah, the mascara is done too. It's time for the blush. Blush, you guys all have chosen this Clarins blush in the shade Rose Petal. It's like totally removed, but I can read it. You guys can't even see. The shade number 3, Rose Petal, and it's actually my favorite look. Wait, let me swatch you. It's a cream blush, by the way. So look. I just like to play with it. Oops. Let's watch that. It's super pigmented, so I'm going to just oh my god, why I'm screaming. I'm looking like a joker. No, I'm today feeling like a joker. For some reasons, or what reason, I don't even know. Oh, is it good? Yeah, कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं लगा लिया, but that's okay. For the highlighter, you all has chosen this 7 Cool Professional highlighter. Like, why you guys haven't chosen it? My favorite highlighter ideas. This does not even work. Look, let me swatch that for you. What? Oh my gosh. It's working. Look. What happened to you? I'm just going to apply it. Oh my goodness, look at that. Just 10 on 10, like 10 on 100. Or 100 on 10? Okay, whatever. Just look at this. Is the same highlight which does not work for me at the starting when I got it. And just look at this. I was just going to throw this. I was literally thinking to just throw that, and look. Look, oh my god. So we're just going to use this one too. Last but not the least, lipstick. I asked you that should I use liquid lipstick or bullet lipstick? So you guys said liquid lipstick. So here's that. Here our look just completes. Oh my god, I'm just loving the highlighter, like dying on that. It's like that Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter, like. Yeah, it's going to be my favorite now. So yeah, that was it for the video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I really hope this was the fun video ever on my channel. Maybe. So all you have to do is just subscribe to my channel. Don't forget that bell icon. And like this video. Really hope you guys liked it. Then like that. Then turn that black thumb blue. Okay. Then share this video with your friends so that they can also come visit my channel and subscribe to my channel. And now the last step is to follow me on my Instagram. Go. What are you waiting for? Go follow me on my Instagram. Go. Bye bye. Take care and stay blessed.